Hi, I'm Nick Ballster with Control Panel Supply. We're here today to talk about the dual axis electrically adjusted multi-position assembly table. The table is designed to make panel assembly more ergonomic and easier to work on. It features an adjustable height and adjustable tilt and an open base design so you get right in there and not be obstructed from your view. It also comes standard with 4 casters, a safety latch for the bottom half, and it is equipped with multiple channels, both horizontal and vertical, to add a plethora of optional equipment. The table is very flexible. It has a maximum capacity of 400 kilograms or 880 pounds, and the maximum panel size as equipped the way it is 44 inches wide up to 80.5 inches tall. That could be expanded to 80.5 inches wide and 80.5 inches tall with optional side extensions. It comes equipped standard with 4 casters. 2 of them are locking so the table doesn't move, and 2 of them are free floating or standard casters so it's easy to adjust and move to wherever you want. The tilting adjustment is from 0 or all the way flat up to 70 degrees, which is almost vertical. 70 degrees is almost vertical. Any further and then there would be a hazard of tilt of falling forward, so that's why it's limited to 70 degrees for safety reasons. The height adjustment goes from 32 inches all the way up to 46 inches, so a shorter assembler or taller assembler you can adjust up and down to meet their best location, and it also allows you to work on the lower part of the panel at a higher height and the higher part and lower it down so you can reach it a little easier. It's applied with a handheld operator, and adjusting is very easy, up and down by the push of a button. One of the main benefits of the tables is that it's an ergonomically convenient workforce. You can get right up there. There's an open base design, so there's no obstruction to your feet. You don't have to stand with your arms fully extended. The adjustable height allows you to reach the center of the panel without having to lean over, so it's easier on your back, easier on your arms, so you don't have to reach so much, and much safer in that if you're a shorter assembler, you're not standing on a stool trying to reach there, which could be a possible trip hazard. The table is shipped fully assembled. Uncrate it, plug it in, add the extensions, and it's ready to be used. There's a similar model, very similar to this, which is a cousin to this model, has the adjustable tilt, much the same. It just does not have the adjustable height. So it's a fixed height for a lower cost or a standard setup. You can purchase either table, the dual axis or the single axis, from our website at www.controlpanelsupply.com. They typically are in stock and could ship within a few days depending upon trucking. It is shipped by truck, so you would need to have a loading dock to unload it. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.